Chapter 16. The Gold Medalist. Chanu Saikhom Mirabai, popularly known as Mirabai Chanu, is an Indian weightlifter. She won India's first gold medal at the 2022 Commonwealth Games in Birmingham. A native of Manipur, Mirabai Chanu was born on 8 August 1994 to a Meitei family. She is the sixth and the youngest child in her family. Her family identified her strength when she was just 12 years old, when she was able to lift the logs of wood her brother found difficult to pick and walk easily back home. She was known as the heavy weightlifter in the family. She started weightlifting in 2008 at Khuman Lampak Sports Complex in Imphal. During her childhood days, there was no weightlifting center in her village. So, for her training, she had to travel 44 kilometers daily.
The coaches would give us diet charts in which chicken and milk were an essential part. But, due to my family condition, I couldn't afford it every day,
says Chanu. She won her first ever competitive gold medal at her career at the age of 11 in a local weightlifting contest. Her actual weightlifting journey began in 2011 when she participated at the 2011 International Youth Championship and at the South Asian Junior Games. She won the gold medals in these games. In 2013, she participated at the Junior National Championship in Guwahati, India. There, she was awarded the Best Lifter Award. In 2014, she represented India at the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, a city in Scotland. Here, she clinched a silver medal in the women's 48 kilograms category by lifting a total of 170 kilograms. On 31 August 2015, she was appointed as a senior ticket collector in the Indian Railway. In 2016, she also qualified for the Rio Olympics in women's 48 kilograms category. Unfortunately, she didn't finish her event and failed in winning any medal. In an interview after her failure, Chanu said,
"I was really low after the Olympics. It took me a lot of time to get over the disappointment. I even thought of giving up the sport and stop training. The comments in social media and the criticism against my coach really hurt me."
In 2017, she won the gold medal in the women's category weightlifting in World Weightlifting Championships at Anaheim, CA, USA. She created a record by lifting the 194 kilograms weight in total and 109 kilograms clean and jerk, and brought a gold medal for India after 22 years, since 1995. Before her, Karnam Malleshwari had won 2 gold medals at the World Weightlifting Championships in 1994 and 1995. For 2017 World Weightlifting Championships, she had to miss the wedding of her sister.
Everyone back home was upset with my decision to miss my sister's wedding. I had come to get battle ready as I wanted to erase the bad memories of my disappointing Rio Olympics campaign. This gold is the best wedding gift I could have given to my sister.
Then, she represented India at the 2018 Commonwealth Games and won India's first gold medal in weightlifting on 5 April in the women's 48 kilograms category. She lifted 196 kilograms total weight, 86 kilograms in snatch and 110 kilograms in clean and jerk. By lifting 196 kilograms weight, she smashed the previous weightlifting record, which was 175 kilograms set by Augustine Nwapolo of Nigeria in 2010. On 25 September 2018, she was conferred with the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in Sports and Games, which is the highest sporting honor of the Republic of India, by President Ram Nath Kovind at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. When Chanu bagged silver in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, she became the second Indian weightlifter to win an Olympic medal after Karnam Malleshwari, who bagged bronze in the 69 kilograms category at the 2000 Sydney Olympics. In 2021, she was appointed as the brand ambassador of the North Eastern Reorganizing Cultural Association FC. On 15th January 2022, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh appointed her as Additional Superintendent of Police during a state-level facilitation function in Imphal. He also handed over a cheque of 1 crore rupees as a cash reward to her. On 25th February 2022, she qualified for the 2022 Commonwealth Games in the 55 kilograms weight category after she clinched the gold in the Singapore Weightlifting International in Singapore. She lifted 191 kilograms to achieve this feat.